Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the DIAOPROTECT bike lock. It is a bicycle's chain lock with 5-digit resettable password. 120 centimeters to 6 millimeters heavy duty high security anti-theft outdoor lock for bicycle, motorbikes, scooters, gates, fences, and for example doors. So many different types you can secure with this thing. I bought it because there are on the market so much locks with keys. But the problem is I am losing my keys so often. So I will try now this thing of lock with these numbers, 5 of them. And you can use those 5-digit resettable combinations to gain the security. That bike chain lock has advanced 5-digit combination, which offers more than 100,000 possible combinations, and this is a lot. You will know the older one with lock with number locks. There are only 3 different numbers. This is not so much. But 100,000 possible combinations. This is security. So that makes it nearly impossible to crack and greatly decreases the chance of theft. The original password, if you will buy this too, like me, is 5 times O. It is easy to set and to reset the password, and the manual is of course included, but I will show you how to lock it and how to program it. It is convenient and practical to use with no keys. Only the key with the numbers you have to get inside your brain. Sufficient length and durable hardened chain. The chain is made of 6 millimeter thick heavy duty hard steel chain, which offers strong resistance for cutting and saving. Cycling chain lock total length is 120 centimeters, is 47 inches. It is long enough to chain your bike or other properties. It is wear resistant and scratch proof fabric wrapping. The chain of the bicycle lock wrapped by a tear resistant and dust proof nylon fabric sleeve, which provides additional protection and helps the chain and of course the bicycle prevent from scratching. And it has a multi-purpose. This chain locks perfect for bikes, motorcycles, scooters, grills, lawn owners, ladders, sports, and so many other things. Equipment, fences, gates, doors, tools, etc. The bike chain lock total length is 120 centimeters, and netto weight is about 800 grams, and the chain thickness is 6 millimeters. So now, how to get a new combination in it? It is easy. The initial password are 5 times O. Then open the lock, turn the set button clockwise 90 degrees. Then turn the numbers of your brain into the surface of the lock. Aim your new password at the raised identification point, and then turn the set button back to its original position after resetting successfully. Then you are able to use your new password. And only you can open this lock. It is drill resistant, cut resistant, and this makes it securely for me. I will use it on my bicycle, and it is possible to get 2 or 3 bicycles with one lock secured, or you can secure your bicycle on other tubes, etc. What is out there you can lock easily. And that it is the DIAOPROTECT bike lock. And I will try it, and you can try it too if you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.